was a baby organizer when I first came to the NFFC fly-in. Becoming an organizer was sort of a career shift for me, and feeling that community and connectivity across the country has really kept me in the work. And now I've been here for almost 3 years, and I'm so grateful for all of the leadership opportunities I've had through NFFC, wonderful people I've gotten to meet, the local food from across the country that I know how to get now. There's so many benefits and so much power in this space, and I'm really, really pumped to be a part of it.
We have been working together for a very long time. The Federation's been around for 58 years, and NFFC has been around for 40 years. So it has been a fantastic partnership, and we continue to move forward because we are better together.
For me, it's really important that if we are going to take on big national and international corporations, that we need to be having big national and international partnerships and coalition work. So NFFC and the opportunity to meet with other organizations across the country that are doing similar things, their willingness to bring folks together and to do joint actions is also a really critical part of our work. One of the things that I enjoy most about what I do at FARFA.
The NFFC is the ability to participate in these fly-ins and give North Dakota issues a much bigger platform than they would have otherwise. The NFFC's ability to get us into a room with sympathetic allies and the ability to highlight North Dakota issues. We have a way of communicating with other people that we wouldn't normally get by ourselves.
Values align very closely with NFFC to support small family farms, ranches, and we need the help in Washington, D.C. to work with Congress and to keep things moving along as best we can in these crazy times to support small farmers and ranchers. And it's important we work together.
We see a lot of what is happening with our ocean resources, things that already have happened on land, and we're trying to prevent that. We're trying to prevent the mistakes and the lack of cohesion about best practices on land and making sure that they're done right with the ocean.
It's incredibly refreshing to be a part of a coalition that is multiracial and has representation from all parts of the country, truly, and that's deeply grounded in values that this nation needs now more than ever.